Welcome to a video tutorial on RFMS software. This video tutorial is solely intended for those who has no prior experience on using the RFMS software. This is the login screen of RFMS. The software is developed and hosted by National Informatics Center. Now you can see there are two inputs recorded. One is username and another is the password. These username and passwords will be provided by NIC and are specific to each department. For example, let us take our username is xyz123a. The password is. Now click the login button, which will take for the next screen, which is the home screen of RFMS. Now you can see the name of the department is mentioned here at the top. We have not done any input for it, but it will be displayed by default because your username and password is linked to your department and is stored on the background database. There are various steps at the top which we will be needing as you go on using the software, but at this moment we will require this step, prepare RFD. There are various sections under this tab, section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but we'll go step by step. For section 1, under section 1 there are two subsections, vision, mission, functions and objective. Now click here, vision, mission and functions. Now you can see that all visions, missions and functions all are blank. We need to fill it up. So for that, we go on the right side of the screen and click the Add Edit button. The next screen is a familiar micro support type screen where you can make your input or you can copy and paste from already existed Word document. Here is a vision statement. We have already made input in the Word document, so we copy it and paste it here. But it will not be directly pasted. A new screen will be popped up, and here we have to paste it. Click OK. It will be your vision statement. So click the Save button. Your vision is complete. For any help required on the vision statement, you can go here and get an idea of how a vision statement shall be. Next, your mission statements. So we click Edit button here. Now, normally what happens? A department may have multiple mission statements, so we need to use serial number here. After the first mission statement, you can press enter and write the second mission statement. If you don't have any multiple mission statements, then you don't need to use the serial number. For the second mission, we can again go to the screen and copy and paste our second mission here. We need to delete this because see, the first mission is and second mission is complete. Now you can edit it with font Arial, size 12 or medium. Similarly, second Arial, medium. Like you can edit the input in edit here. Click Save button. Your mission part is complete. Now for the functions, similarly add functions. Here one difference. Normally a department has multiple functions, so we don't need to use serial number here. The system will take serial number itself. The phone. This is our first function. Save it here. See, the serial number has come by default. Now for the second function, we can go to our Word document, copy the function and paste it here. We don't need to use this too. Save. Click Save button and we have two functions here. Now you can see our vision, mission and function part is complete. If we need to do any edit here with this button, and you can delete the function by clicking this delete record, or if you want to interchange the function 2 as function 1, you can click here. It will move the record up. Similarly, it will move the record down. Okay, now click the back button. our first part is complete, second part is objectives. Here you have to click this add new button. Now our department has multiple objectives, so we don't need to use the serial number. You can copy paste from here objective 1, this you should delete this one and click save button. Similarly for objective 2, you can copy this from your Word document and paste it here, delete this 2, save it. Now your objectives are here. You can similarly you can edit your objectives or delete your objectives with these buttons, or move up your objectives or move down your objectives depending on your priorities, or you can add new objectives by clicking this button. Now section 1 is complete. We'll go to section 2. The first part is the key objectives. Now here we can click here to make our key objectives individually, or we can, if we want to make both the objectives of key objective, we click here. For example, we make both the objectives our key objectives. For weightage, we know that the sum of the weightage of all the objectives should be 85%, so we distribute 85% as per our priorities. We give 50% here and 35% here. Now we click the save button. Next we go to the action button. For the objective 1, we need to put action here. For that, we click the plus button. Objective 1 is the first action, so we again copy paste from our Word document. Action 1.1, paste it here, save button. Now again we go to the Word document and action. It is the second action of first objective, so we click here, action 1.2, save. So the action part is complete. For the first objective we have two actions, action 1.1 and action 2. Our action part is complete. See, objective 1 has two actions, action 1.1 and 1.2, and objective 2 has two actions, action 1.1, 2.1 and 2.2. Now we can add more actions here by clicking the plus sign, edit or delete the action accordingly, or we can move the record up and down by clicking this cursors. Click back button. Actions. Next is our success indicators. Now for adding the success indicator for objective 1, we click the add button. Here our success indicator number 1, which you can copy paste from our Word document. Success indicator 1.1. Secondly, for the second action, our success indicator can be 1.2.1. Save button. Similarly, for the second success indicator of objective 1, it can be success indicator 1.1.2. Now we go to manage criteria section. Here we have to give unit and weight for each success indicator. For the first success indicator, let us take it as a number, and second one is also number. Let us take the third one is in date, and fourth one is in percentage. Now for weight, we should distribute 100% among these 4 success indicators in such a way that the sum is 100. It depends on your requirements or priorities. For first success indicator we give 30%, second we give 30%, third give 20%, or fourth success indicator we give 20%. So sum of all it is 100%. Now we have to define what will be your 100% value, very good value, good value, fair value and poor value for each success indicator. For first one, let us take is at 1000. It depends on your departmental perspective what you assume expect to be excellent value and what is a good, very good value. Now for action 1.21, it isn't dead. Now here is one thing you should remember: if the success indicator isn't dead, you should click this button, is dead. Then on their screen will display, you will show your calendar and you can select the date from here. Let's suppose the 10 December is our excellent value. Right. Okay, next is your success indicator number 4, isn't percentage. Let us take 100% as our 80% is our very good value. A good value is 60%, fair value is 50%, poor value is 40%. We click the save button here. Now for objective number 1, all the parts are complete. Now all the success indicator for objective number 2 are displayed here, and we have to click now minus criteria button, 50%. Now click the save button here. Now we have put all the things required against its objective. Actions, success indicators, all are complete. So we can have a composite view of the whole input that we have made till now. This is the composite view of the whole input that we have made till now. Now our section 1 and section 2 is complete. If we want to look how our RFD will be, then we have to use this tab, print achievement or /RFD button. Click here, click this button, view print RFD. Now again right side there will be one print RFD button and you have to click it here. The RFD that you have prepared right now will be saved in a PDF document. This is the PDF document that you have downloaded in your PC or laptop. Click here and your RFD that you have just prepared will be in a PDF format. Now this is your RFD, the result framework document for the Department of Vision, Mission, Objectives, Functions, and this is section 2 of your RFD. Now we have made up to section 2 only, so section 3 is blank here. Now next step we'll make section 3. So I think this tutorial will help you to prepare RFD at least up to section 3 for this moment. In your next tutorial we'll go from section 3 to section 6. Thank you.